There are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. First I am telling about state. A state is a constituent division that has a separate government. States have their own elected government that are vested with the powers to frame the laws. States enjoy a federal relationship with the central government. The legislative and executive powers are distributed. Governor is the constitutional head of the state. The chief minister, duly elected by the people, administers the state. States are much longer in size than the union territories. States have autonomous powers. Now I am telling about union territory. An union territory is a small administrative unit that is ruled by the union. The union territories are administered and controlled directly by the central government of India. Union territories has unitary relationship with the central government, which means all the legislative and executive powers rest with the union. The President of India is the executive head of the union territory. Union territory is appointed by an administrator who is appointed by the President. Union territories are much smaller in size when compared to the states. Union territories do not have autonomous powers. Now I am telling about the brief information of states. First one is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India. It is the 7th largest state by area and 10th most populous state. The formation day of Andhra Pradesh is 1st November 1956. Present capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Districts are 13. Largest city is Visakhapatnam. Symbols of Andhra Pradesh are: emblem is Purna Ghatam. Song is Ma Telugu Talli. Language is Telugu. Dance is Kuchipudi. Animal is black buck. Bird is parrot. Fish is mudfish. Flower is jasmine. Fruit is mango. Tree is neem and sport is kabaddi. Second one is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a state in northeast India. It is the largest of the 7 sister states of northeast India by area. Formation of Arunachal Pradesh state is 20th February 1987. Capital is Itanagar. Districts are 25. Largest city is Itanagar. Official language is English. Symbols of Arunachal Pradesh are: emblem is song is Satyameva Jayate. Animal is Gayal. Bird is hornbill. Flower is foxtail orchid. And tree is horong. Third one is Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India, situated south of the eastern Himalayas, along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. It is also one of the world's most populous subdivisions. Formation day of Assam is 26th January 1950. Capital is Dispur. Districts are 33. Largest city is Guwahati. Language is Assami. Symbols of the Assam state are: emblem is seal of Assam. Dance is Bihu dance. Animal is one-horned rhinoceros. Bird is white-winged wood duck. Flower is Renku stylish retusa. Tree is Dipterocarpus. Drink is Assam tea and river is Brahmaputra. Fourth one is Bihar. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It is the third largest state by population. The Bihar plain is split by the river Ganges, which flows from west to east. Formation day of Bihar is 22nd March 1912. Statehood of Bihar is 26th January 1950. Capital is Patna. Districts are 38. Largest city is Patna. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Bihar are: emblem is emblem of Bihar. Song is Mere Bharat Ki Kandhar. Animal is Gaur. Bird is house sparrow. Flower is Kachnar. Fruit is mango and tree is peepal tree. One is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is located in east central India. Formation day of Chhattisgarh is 1st November 2000. Capital is Raipur. Districts are 28. Largest city is Raipur. Language is Chhattisgarhi. Symbols of Chhattisgarh are: emblem is emblem of Chhattisgarh. Song is Arpa Pen Ke Idhar. Animal is wild water buffalo. Bird is hill myna. Flower is Ginkgo stylish gigantea. And tree is Shorea robusta. Sixth one is Goa. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India. Formation day of Goa is 30th May 1987. Capital is Panaji. Districts are 2. The largest city is Vasco da Gama. Language is Konkan. Symbols of Goa are: emblem is emblem of Goa. Animal is Gaur. Bird is flame-throated bulbul. Fish is grey mullet. Flower is jasmine. Fruit is cashew and tree is coconut palm. Seventh one is Gujarat. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India. The state traditionally has low unemployment and is widely considered one of the most industrially developed states of India and a manufacturing hub. Formation day of Gujarat is 1st May 1960. Capital is Gandhinagar. Districts are 33. Largest city is Ahmedabad. Language is Gujarati. Symbols of Gujarat are: emblem is emblem of Gujarat. Song is Jai Jai Garavi Gujarat. Animal is Asiatic lion. Bird is greater flamingo. Flower is marigold. Fruit is mango and tree is banyan. Eighth one is Haryana. Haryana is located in the northern part of the country. Formation day of Haryana is 1st November 1966. Capital is Chandigarh. Districts are 22. Largest city is Faridabad. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Haryana are: emblem of Haryana. Animal is black buck. Black francolin. Flower is lotus and tree is peepal. Ninth one is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a state in the northern part of India, situated in the western Himalayas. Formation day of Himachal Pradesh is 25th January 1971. Capital is Shimla. Districts are 12. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Himachal Pradesh are: emblem of Himachal Pradesh. Animal is snow leopard. Bird is western tegopon. Flower is pink rhododendron. Fruit is apple and tree is deodar cedar. 10th one is Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a state in eastern India. Meaning of Jharkhand is the land of forests. Formation day of Jharkhand is 15th November 2000. Capital is Ranchi. Districts are 24. Largest city is Jamshedpur. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Jharkhand are: emblem is seal of Jharkhand. Animal is Indian elephant. Bird is koel. Flower is palash and tree is sal. 11th one is Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in the southwestern region of India. It is the largest state in South India and 7th largest in India. Formation day of Karnataka is 1st November 1956. Capital is Bangalore. Districts are 30. Largest city is Bangalore. Language is Kannada. Symbols of Kannada are: emblem is emblem of Karnataka. Song is Jaya Bharata Jananaya Tanujate. Animal is Indian elephant. Bird is Indian roller. Flower is lotus and tree is sandalwood. 12th one is Kerala. Kerala is a state on the southwestern Malabar coast of India. Formation day of Kerala is 1st November 1956. Capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Districts are 14. Language is Malayalam. Symbols of Kerala are: emblem is emblem of Kerala. Animal is Indian elephant. Bird is great hornbill. Fish is green chromide. Butterfly is Papilio buddha. Flower is Kanikonna. Fruit is jackfruit and tree is coconut tree. 13th one is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is a state in central India. Formation day of Madhya Pradesh is 1st November 1956. Capital is Bhopal. Districts are 52. Largest city is Indore. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Madhya Pradesh are: emblem is emblem of Madhya Pradesh. Song is Mera Madhya Pradesh. Dance is Manch. Animal is Barasinga. Bird is Indian paradise flycatcher. Fish is Mahasir. Flower is parrot tree. Fruit is mango and tree is banyan tree. 14th one is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western peninsular region of India, occupying a substantial portion of the Deccan Plateau. Formation day of Maharashtra is 1st May 1960. Capital is Mumbai. Districts are 36. Language is Marathi. Of Maharashtra are: emblem is emblem of Maharashtra. Song is Jai Jai Maharashtra Maja. Animal is Indian giant squirrel. Bird is yellow-footed green pigeon. Flower is charul and tree is mango tree. 15th one is Manipur. Manipur is a state in northeastern India. Formation day of Manipur is 21st January 1972. Capital is Imphal. Districts are 16. Language is Manipuri. Symbols of Manipur are: emblem is Kanglasha. Song is Sana Lebak Manipur. Animal is Sangai. Bird is Nongin. Flower is Shirui lily and tree is Uningutho. 16th one is Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a state in northeastern India. Meaning of Meghalaya is abode of clouds. Formation day of Meghalaya is 21st January 1972. Capital is Shillong. Districts are 11. Largest city is Shillong. Language is English. Symbols of Meghalaya are: emblem is emblem of Meghalaya. Animal is clouded leopard. Bird is hill myna. Flower is lady's slipper orchid. And tree is gamhar. 17th one is Mizoram. Mizoram is a state in northeastern India. Formation day of Mizoram is 20th February 1987. Capital is Aizawl. Districts are 11. Largest city is Aizawl. Language is Mizo. Symbols of Mizoram are emblem of Mizoram. Animal Himalayan Sparrow. Bird Mrs. Holmes Pigeon. Flower is red vanda and tree is Indian rose chestnut. 18th one is Nagaland. Nagaland is a state in northeastern India. Formation day of Nagaland is 1st December 1963. Capital is Kohima. Districts are 12. Largest city is Dimapur. Language is English. Symbols of Nagaland are emblem of Nagaland. Animal Midun. Bird is Blitz Tagopan. Flower is rhododendron and tree is alder. 19th one is Odisha. Odisha is an Indian state located in southeastern coastal India. It is the 8th largest state by area and the 11th largest by population. Formation day of Odisha is 1st April 1936. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Districts are 30. Largest city is Bhubaneswar. Language is Odia. Symbols of Odisha are emblem of Odisha. Song is Bande Utkala Janani. Dance is Odissi. Animal is Sambar. Bird is Indian roller. Flower is Ashoka and tree is Indian flag tree. 20 is Punjab. Punjab is a state in northern India. Formation day of Punjab is 1st November 1966. Capital is Chandigarh. Districts are 22. Largest city is Ludhiana. Language is Punjabi. Symbols of Punjab are emblem of Punjab. Dance is Bhangra. Animal is black buck. Bird is Baj. Flower is gladiolus and tree is shisham. 21 is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state in northern India. It is the largest Indian state by area and the 7th largest by population. Formation day of Rajasthan is 30 March 1949. Capital is Jaipur. Districts are 33. Largest city is Jaipur. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Rajasthan are emblem of Rajasthan. Dance is Gumar. Animals are camel and chinkara. Bird is Godavan. Flower is Rohita. Tree is Kajari. And game is basketball. 22nd is Sikkim. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. Formation day of Sikkim is 16th May 1975. Capital is Gangtok. Districts are 4. Largest city is Gangtok. Language is English. Symbols of Sikkim are emblem of Sikkim. Animal is red panda. Bird is blood pigeon. Flower is noble dendrobium and tree is rhododendron. 23rd is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu lies in the southernmost part of India. Formation day of Tamil Nadu is 26th January 1950. Capital is Chennai. Districts are 38. Largest city is Chennai. Language is Tamil. Symbols of Tamil Nadu are emblem of Tamil Nadu. Thiruvilliputtur Andal temple. Song is invocation to goddess Tamil. Dance is Bharatanatyam. Animal is Nilgaritar. Bird is emerald dove. Flower is gloriosa lily. Fruit is jackfruit. Tree is palm tree and sport is kabaddi. 24th is Telangana. Telangana is a state in India situated on the south central stretch of the Indian peninsula on the high Deccan plateau. It is the 11th largest state and the 12th most rated state in India. Formation Day of Telangana is 2nd June 2014. Capital is Hyderabad. Districts are 33. Largest city is Hyderabad. Language is Telugu. Symbols of Telangana are emblem is emblem of Telangana, Kakatiya Kalatoranam, Charminar. Song is Jaya Jaya He Telangana, Janani J Ketanam. Animal is spotted deer. Bird is Indian roller. Flower is Sinna arcuata. And tree is Prosopis cinerea. 25th one is Tripura. Tripura is a state in northeastern India, the third smallest state in the country. Formation Day of Tripura is 21st January 1972. Capital is Agartala. Districts are 8. Most populous city is Agartala. Language is Bengali. Symbols of Tripura are emblem is emblem of Tripura. Bird is green imperial pigeon. Flower is Indian rose chestnut. Fruit is queen pineapple and tree is agarwood. 26th is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a state in northern India. It is the most populous state in India as well as most populous country subdivision in the world. Formation Day of Uttar Pradesh is 24th January 1950. Capital is Lucknow. Districts are 75. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Uttar Pradesh are emblem of Uttar Pradesh. Animal is Barasingha. Bird is Saras crane. Flower is Palash. And tree is Ashoka. 27 is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand formerly known as Uttaranchal. It is a state in the northern part of the India. It is often referred to as the Deva Bhumi, literally land of the gods. Formation Day of Uttarakhand is 9th November 2000. Capital is Gairshine in summer, Dehradun in winter. Districts are 13. Largest city is Dehradun. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Uttarakhand are animal is alpine musk deer. Bird is Himalayan monal. Is golden mahashir. Flower is Brahmakamal. Tree is Borans. And sport is football. 28th is West Bengal. West Bengal is a state in the eastern region of India along the Bay of Bengal. It is the 4th most populous state and the 14th largest state by area in India. Formation Day of West Bengal is 26th January 1950. Capital is Kolkata. Districts are 23. Largest city is Kolkata. Language is Bengali. Symbols of West Bengal are emblem is emblem of the West Bengal. Animal is fishing cat. Bird is white-throated kingfisher. Flower is night flowering jasmine. And tree is chetim tree. Now I am telling about the brief information of Union Territories. First one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a Union Territory of India comprising 572 islands, of which 37 are inhabited, are a group of islands at the juncture of the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. Formation Day of Andaman and Nicobar Islands are 1st November 1956. Capital and largest city is Port Blair. Districts are 3. Language is Hindi. Symbols of Andaman and Nicobar Islands are emblem is emblem of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Animal is dugong. Bird is Andaman wood pigeon. Flower is peenma. And tree is Andaman padak. Second one is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a city, district and union territory in India. India that serves as the capital of the two neighboring states of Punjab and Haryana. Formation of Union Territory is 1st November 1966. Language is English. Symbols of Chandigarh are emblem is emblem of Chandigarh. Animal is Indian grey mongoose. Bird is Indian grey hornbill. Flower is duck. Fruit is mango and tree is Mangifera indica. Third one is Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu was a union territory in western India. Formation day of Daman and Diu is 26th January 2020. Capital is Daman and the language is Portuguese. Fourth one is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Dadra and Nagar Haveli is a region in western India. It is composed of two separate geographical entities. Formation day of Dadra and Nagar Haveli is 26th January 2020 and the languages are Hindi and Gujarati. Fifth one is Delhi. Delhi is a city and union territory of India containing New Delhi, the capital of India. Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Formation of Union Territory is 1956. Formation of National Capital Territory is 1st February 1992. Capital is New Delhi. Districts are 11 and the language is Hindi. Sixth one is Jammu and Kashmir. The government of India repealed the special status accorded to Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution in 2019. The Parliament of India passed the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, which contained provisions that disallowed the state and reorganized it into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir in the west and Ladakh in the east, with effect from 31st October 2019. Seventh one is Ladakh. Ladakh is a region administered by India as a union territory. It constitutes a part of the larger Kashmir region. When the Parliament of India passed an act by which Ladakh became a separate union territory on 31st October 2019. Capital of Ladakh is Leh and two districts. Eighth one is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands are also known as the Lakshadweep Islands. Formation of Lakshadweep is 1st November 1956. Capital is Kavaratti. Language is Malayalam. Symbols of Lakshadweep are emblem is emblem of Lakshadweep. Animal is butterfly fish. Bird is brown nadi and the tree is bedfruit. Ninth one is Puducherry. Puducherry is also known as Pondicherry. Is one of the 9 union territories of India. Formation day of Puducherry is 1st November 1954. Capital and largest city is Pondicherry. Districts are 4. Language is Tamil. Symbols of Puducherry are emblem is emblem of Puducherry. Animal is Indian palm squirrel. Bird is koel. Flower is cannonball tree flower. And the tree is bale fruit tree. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.